Hello, and welcome to another update video on Solana. Yeah, the crypto market at the moment is kind of in hibernation mode. Not too much is going on here, but maybe today we get a decision and finally get some breakouts. Obviously later today we have the Fed interest rate decision coming up. So yeah, something to keep in mind. That'll be later today. That's why later today we can also, or we have to expect some volatility, right? So please be ready for that. The overall idea here is that the price might be in the process of forming a B wave. I mean, it might be complete, but the reaction to the upside is only in 3 waves. So I mean, at least be prepared for a wider B wave, because so far we have a 3-wave move down and a 3-wave move up, and we're currently forming a lower high as it seems. You can even add a trend line here that shows you that the downside pressure is still there, all right? You might see that here in red. I can change it to blue. It becomes a bit clearer, but we're currently holding below this trend line and we have a 3-wave move up. So all of that is not really, it's not convincing that we've bottomed. We might have, but support is holding, which is important. But with only choppy sideways structures and 3-wave movements and without any higher highs, I can't confirm yet the start of the next move to the upside. Remember, there is a lot of resistance above. Now, our support area that we talked about is between $180.47 and $192.73. A break above $203.45 would now be needed, and that blue trend line to signal that circle wave B might have bottomed, but a better signal would be a 5-wave move. At the moment, I only have 3. So what I'm going to watch for today is, can we form, or do we get anywhere, a sign that we are working on 5 waves up? Because this is only a 3-wave move up so far, right? And we're holding below resistance. So if I can get one more high, something like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it just needs one more higher low and one more higher high and break above resistance, then this is the signal. This would be a wave 1. Then we can add support for a wave 2. And then against that, we can watch for higher prices. For now, we're only dealing with a corrective bounce here. We're forming a lower high. We're below trend line and below resistance. And the risk is just high that we fall back into support. We're basically just moving between support and resistance. But you now know what we need to watch for a first indication that we're breaking out. To the upside then, we have some more levels to watch. Strong resistance above, especially here, the swing high from the 14th of October. That's around $211.50. If we break above it, there's the yellow line around $220 as next key resistance. So that's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, also make sure to follow us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. There are also additional Solana updates. For example, before I recorded this video, I made a post there, for example. So yeah, if you want to stay up to date, check it out. And I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.